Hey guys, this is a quick overview on how to register for Castle Branch. So when you're looking in your D2L orientation shell, you're going to go under content and you'll find this actual link under the contents tab. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on to this link right here and it will bring you to this page. It'll bring you to the Castle Branch homepage. So you're going to at this point click place your order. And then you're going to be prompted to select your package code. And if you look under Allied Health, you're going to find the package code that we're using at this point in time, which is the PP32BGDTIM Background Check, Drug Test, and Medical Documents Manager. So once you click onto this link, it's going to pull this page up and you're going to have to go through, read this page here, and then you're going to have to go to the very bottom. I'm not sure if you can see it on the screen, but click that you have read and understand your instructions, and then you're going to click continue. Once you click continue, this screen is actually going to pull up and it shows you that you are registering for the Piedmont Technical College Allied Health, and this is actually the package code that you'll be using. You need to confirm the package code with your program director. This is the package code that's oriented for my students. However, just confirm that this is the package code that you're going to be using. You want to make sure on that first screen that you select the package code that actually applies to what you need. So the package code cost here is $167.75. You'll scroll down, you're going to click that you understand and that you have read the instructions, and then you will continue. At this point, I'm not going to complete this. This is the personal information that you guys will be required to provide to Castle Branch. So you're going to go through these step-by-step instructions, and then as you complete it, you're going to click next and go through each screen. Once this process is complete, you will be prompted to create a username and password. Please make sure that when you create the username and password that you remember that password. It is unique to you, and I've found in the past when helping students, if that username and password is misplaced or the student loses that username and password, it can be a struggle to change that password or recreate your username, because Castle Branch is responsible for so much of your personal information. They are very strict on this. So make sure that when you create your username and password that you do not lose that. So once you have gone through and completed this process, you will be able to log in at any point in time and upload your documents as you go. So when I say upload documents, like your PPD, your TB skin test, your vaccinations, your measles, mumps, rubella, Hep B vaccinations, all of your health records will be uploaded into Castle Branch, and they will manage your documentation. So that's why, again, that remembering your username and password is super important. So this is the first steps as far as getting registered for Castle Branch, and there will be another video to come. Once you're registered for Castle Branch, there'll be another tutorial for you guys to show you how to actually upload your records into the system. One thing with Castle Branch, a criminal background check, when you pay this fee, the $167, the criminal background check is included into this, so we'll automatically get a copy of your criminal record. Also a drug screen will be required. So once you complete this order, I will go in and show you. We can do another tutorial as well to show you how to actually go about having your drug screen completed. So once you log in, once you create your username and password, there's a link that you can click on, and you can actually choose which LabCorp facility that you want to have your drug screen performed at, and then you will print off a voucher and take that with you over to LabCorp. It's pretty simple. I think one of the biggest problems that I've found in the past is just people getting registered for it and understanding how to use it. So this video tutorial is just to show you how to get registered, and then we will complete other tutorials as we move forward. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks.